Main course is a pigeon breast with a roast sweet potato, a beetroot gel and wild mushrooms. And the dessert is a pear compote on a granola base with a blue cheese ice cream.
Right. Have you made a cheese ice cream before?
Yes.
And you fed it to your mates?
Yes.
What did they think?
Some said it was lovely, some said it tasted like an old sock.
Right. Right. I thought that might be the case.
I am yet to taste a blue cheese ice cream I like. Today may be the day.
I'll be seeing that he cooks this pigeon breast beautifully. It doesn't need long, you want it to stay nice and pink in the middle, otherwise it can taste really irony.
I don't get why there's fluid gel, just give me some beetroot.
He wants to try to make it, you know, all fancy-dancy for us, so if the flavours are there, not a problem.
Yeah. I like it. Do you like it?
I do. This has come out nicely.
Now what? Sauce?
Sauce.
Great looking plate, Jim.
Very good looking plate, I agree. Good effort. Go on, young Jim.
Back for your dessert, please.
Hello.
Hi.
So I can't see, my glasses are foggy.
We're over here.
Today I've made you pigeon breast with a roast sweet potato, a beetroot fluid gel and wild mushrooms with a reduced port sauce.
Thank you
Lovely,
so much.
thank you.
Thank you.
I love the pigeon. I think some people might find that a bit rare, but I think it's cooked to perfection.
That beetroot gel works really, really well, and actually I'm quite surprised because it's got a beautiful beetroot flavour. It's really fresh. The only thing is we needed a bit more salt over the pigeon, and I just needed sauce. I reckon if there was more sauce, it would have brought everything together.
We haven't got a very good port sauce. It's a little bit liquid. Do you know what? I'm pleased. I think it would have been one sweet thing too many.
It's a tasty, tasty dish.
Caramelised pear compote and granola base with Sussex blue cheese ice cream.
Blue cheese. I'm sorry, I don't like blue cheese.
Jim, how are we getting on?
It looks all right.
Good. Right.
Hey, it worked, Jim.
Just about. I'm good to go.
OK.
Go on then, Jim.
Well done.
Thank you.
I've made you guys a pear compote on granola base with a blue cheese ice cream.
I'm not getting any blue cheese, and I was really excited about that, so I'm not getting the balance of sweet and savoury.
Pears themselves, gorgeous. With the granola, it's really beautiful flavours, but I think it needed the saltiness just to really elevate it.
I can tell there is blue cheese in there, but the compote is delicious. The whole thing is nice. He's got potential. He has got potential, minus the blue cheese.
I really like the heart of that dessert. I love the pear and the crumble underneath. I love the taste of cinnamon. I love the cooling ice cream. I don't like the blue cheese.
I like it.
Oh, go away. No.
I don't think I could have done anything better, and that is my limit as a cook right now.